I can do another video.
Yep. They took up my chair. Alright, can you see me down here? Yeah, I think I'm in the screen. Alright, so I don't think you are, Booger.
Why?
I think are you in there? Maybe sit in your chair. Mama can't sit in this chair, it's too little.
Yeah.
Got your shoe stack.
When I get to the part where we open the mail, unopen the mail.
Alright, so as Scott said, we got a package. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. You excited?
First, let's take this duct tape.
No, leave that duct tape on there. Mama put that on. You gotta rip it over here or something. It's all taped up really good, so up here might be good. We got a bumblebee in our video again.
Yeah, because...
I don't know what he's doing. He's just flying around.
Hello, Bumblebee. Do you want to be
Oh, don't touch the tripod. Come here.
Do you want to open some mail? Or what are you doing here, Bumblebee?
Careful. There you go. No, we're not going to play with that. Get it?
Oh, yeah.
You want to see what's in there too, Charlotte? You want me to start it?
No.
Oh, there you go.
See?
Oh. Bumblebee friends are joining in.
Hello, Bumblebee friend. Look at this. Wow, take it in. Take it in. This is what this is. I need to do this. I need to unwrap
Just
this.
wait. Wait a second. So we have just a black box. It's wrapped in plastic wrap.
Can I unwrap it?
You can open the box. Give me a second.
Here's the box.
Bumblebee. Wait, Charlotte.
Hey, Mommy.
It's a nice box too. It's sturdy.
Yeah.
Flip it on your lap.
Huh? Nothing.
It is something. It's a journal. Wait a second. I'm gonna take this off. It keeps it closed. It's got all kinds of paper in there. Dot paper and schedule paper, calendar paper.
Don't put me at the dot paper.
There's all kinds of paper in there.
Hey, there's even black paper.
There is black paper.
Oh.
Did your headband come off?
No, there's a polka dot page.
There is a polka dot page. Can I see it? Let me see this thing. Okay, so this is the Bullet Keeper Journal. And it is a grid matrix notebook planner. It has 240 pages. It's an A5 format. And the net weight is 17 ounces. It is pretty heavy. It's pretty thick. The edges of the pages are black. You okay?
Mommy.
Well, watch where you're walking, but
Mommy.
just wait. It has an elastic closure strap, and it also has an elastic pen strap on here, on the back. And I will show you the pages. I like that it comes in the box. That's super cute. So, let's see. It's got some dot pages. It's got these ones that are like for a schedule maybe. Nope. And it's got calendar pages.
That's mine.
It says keep notes however you like. Flexible daily, weekly, monthly planner. Structure your life your way. Stay focused, productive, and organized.
That's what I did.
This is available on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.